A travel system is a type of pushchair which is compatible with an infant carrier car seat, seat unit and a lie flat carrycot. Both the car seat and the carrycot can click in and out of the pushchair, which is super handy when you have a sleeping baby you don't want to wake. Whilst the seat unit is great for slightly older children who would prefer to sit upright. Our infant carriers are ideal for newborns due to the added comfort and stability, but we also offer lie flat cots that allow your child to stay in their pushchair for longer, great for days out, shopping trips or long walks. If the trip is short, then we offer car seats that can be fitted in and out of the pushchair. Our car seats, which have adjustable seat positions, are ideal for these curious kids who want to be able to face into you and out to the outside world. All of our pushchairs have many features which make them extremely easy to use, including the one-handed fold, swivel wheels, adjustable handlebar height, quick release wheels and a swivel bumper bar, all of which make your ride a whole lot easier. Your child's safety is really important to us, so all of our travel systems are fitted with sunshade hoods to keep your child protected from the sun's rays, lockable front wheels and a 5-point harness for added security. Although you can purchase the separate items, it's often more cost-effective to invest in a complete travel systems bundle, ensuring you get all the necessary equipment in one go. Most of our bundles will come in several boxes, so we do offer a delivery option to store or home, whatever suits you best. Check online for our delivery options. Feel free to come to your local Halfords store to have a proper look at our travel systems and ask any questions that our team will be happy to answer.